What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's a video on how to get the Shield of Radiance in Crimson Desert. A quick note, this shield is for Damien only. It's on a default tier 2 refinement which you can still further upgrade. It provides her with 5 points of defense and a level 2 movement speed boost. This shield can be found on an unmarked location to the far north of the letter T of the Crimson Desert. If you zoom in closer, it's not far to the northeast of an oasis called Verdant Paradise. If you're starting from the oasis, just go to its east side, and once you're there, slowly move north until you see some vegetation sticking out of the sand dunes. That's where you'll need to go. Approach the growth of shrubs and you'll find a sinkhole. Next, enter the hole and glide down to the bottom. Go deeper into the cave and ready up your lantern if you find it too dark. At the end, you'll find a skeleton with some chests and other items. The shield is directly on the left of the skeleton. Pick it up along with the other extra loot. And you just got a new shield for Damien. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.